video, we will see how to raise a purchase request in Zoho Expense and how the approvals for the purchase request can be done. Now, let's first talk about what is purchase request. Purchase request in Zoho Expense is a formal request initiated by the employee of an organization to procure goods or services. The purchase request is to ensure that all the acquisitions are necessarily budgeted, authorized, thereby maintaining financial control and accountability. Now, let's see how to create a purchase request in Zoho Expense. In order to create a purchase request in Zoho Expense, you have to log into your Zoho Expense account and then click on purchase request in the left panel here. And then click on the new purchase request at the top right corner. Enter the expected date, enter the delivery address for where the purchase request goods or services can be delivered, enter the reason if necessary, if leave the note for the approver. You can enter the item name for which the purchase request to be raised and give the necessary description and enter the quantity for the purchase and give the estimated rate. And then you can add as many purchase requests in this purchase requisition form. You can also add a purchase request document if required for the approval for the necessary assistance. And then you can save the purchase request form from here. Once the purchase request has been created, an employee can submit the purchase request from the top right corner where the approval for the purchase request will be visible as per the organization policy approval policy. Click on submit to submit the purchase request. This is the way how you can create a purchase request. Now the next step is how the purchase request can be approved in Zoho Expense. Now, to approve the purchase request in Zoho Expense, the approver will get a notifications for the purchase request which has been initiated to them. They will log into their portal and click on the purchase request at the left panel. So here they will see the status of the purchase request, the purchase request which is submitted to them. Once the approver has logged into their portal, they will see the pending purchase request here, which is raised by an employee. They will click on this purchase request, review the purchase request, and then they can approve the purchase request by clicking on the approve option in the top right corner and then click on approve here. Once the purchase request has been approved, the employee will get a notification in the bell icon in the top right corner for the necessary purchase request approval, and they will see the purchase request with the purchase request number is get approved. This is the way how the purchase request gets approved.